The Brake Performance Kit is used to provide a more realistic brake pressure feeling like in a race car. The kit comes with a quick guide installation manual, polyurethane foam and 6 elastomers. There are various resistance and travel options using the combinations of red and green elastomer springs. The polyurethane foam is an optional component and used to set up a lighter start force when applying the brakes. The green elastomer springs are the harder material. There are 2 thicker ones at a 13mm diameter, as well as a thinner and softer one at a 12mm diameter. The red elastomer springs are slightly softer, also with 2 at a 13mm diameter, as well as the thinner and softer one at a 12mm diameter. From the chart, by using various combinations, you can set up the pedal to feel soft, medium, hard and very hard. I will be installing a red and green 13mm diameter elastomer with the polyurethane foam to give a medium pedal feel. To begin the install, turn the brake preload to its lowest position. Turn the pedals over and loosen the small screw with a 2.5mm Allen key. Then carefully push out and remove the pin from the brake pedal. Disconnect the brake cable, then lower the brake assembly and remove the brake bolt. Remove the preload screw and gently tap out the 2 polyurethane foam pieces and place aside. Before installing the new pieces, give the inside of the preload screw a wipe out with a rag. Install the optional smaller polyurethane foam to set up a lighter starting force. Apply the lithium grease to the surface of the 2 elastomers and then install. With the elastomers installed, reinstall the preload screw to the brake assembly. Place the bolt into the brake pedal first and then into the assembly. Reinstall the brake pedal pin and then tighten the small bolt with a 2.5mm Allen key. And finally plug the brake pedal cable back into the control unit. If there is any mechanical play in the pedal after the installation, adjust by using the preload screw. On the left is the pedal with the stock foam, which is light and spongy. On the right is the pedal with the medium elastomers installed from the kit. The pedal is a lot firmer and smoother to control when applying the brake pressure.